Good afternoon, everyone, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to the launch of our new range of light-duty trucks with JAC. Having been a part of the Thai automotive industry for almost 20 years, Tan Chong International specializes in the distribution and assembly of commercial vehicles, and we are proud to be one of the most trusted companies here in Thailand. To strengthen our share in the commercial vehicle segment, we have partnered with JAC Motors. As one of the leading automotive manufacturers in China, JAC has been a top light-duty trucks exporter over the past 14 years. Today, I am proud to announce our joint partnership with JAC to introduce their light-duty trucks to the Thai market. We are very happy to introduce 3 all-new JAC light-duty N-Series trucks, and our future plans include the utilization of Thailand as a manufacturing and export hub for JAC to the AEC countries.